match number
Yuva Series
50,
match
and you
number
are all
15.
watching that in the third place while they work
Durasingam
against SRM
Thoothukudi
to move on to this game.
versus SRM University Chennai.
नमस्कार फिर से आप
The
सभी
first
का
ride
स्वागत है। ये जो दो टीम है, दो स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम है,
SRM
लेकिन
University
प्रदर्शन तो
Dharanidharan
एक ही
number
टीम का स्ट्रॉन्ग
23
रहा
on the
है।
mat left
दुरई
rider.
सिंघम जो कि चार्ज जीत के साथ आ रही है। 20 मिनट का ये हाफ मैं और अपर्णा आप सभी के लिए बहुत शानदार तरीके से इस मैच को प्रस्तुत करेंगे। एसआरएम यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए धरणीधरन कंदासामी की बात हो रही थी, कमाल के खिलाड़ी है। क्या कमाल, क्या
The Durasingam
जी हाँ,
on the defense the
यहाँ
mat.
पे के सुरेंदर आए हैं डू और डाई रेड लगाने। पूरे 7
Well
खिलाड़ी
defense
मौजूद
for
है, कूदे
Durasingam left corner.
लेकिन कूद करके वहीं पे गिर गए
Ganesh.
हैं। दुरई सिंघम का जो डिफेंस है, इट इज लाइक अ ग्रेट वॉल एंड
The SRM University rider number 66 for left rider on the mat
जी युवराज एसआरएम यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए।
for the back
And
kick
there are,
try.
as you can see, 6 defenders,
The
3
clean hand
pairs
touch
of
for
shade
corner.
you can see, and probably easily there is a
1
touch
point
point,
SRM
and
University Chennai.
G Yuvraj has gone to the lobby and easily taken.
Again number 8
फिर से एक
SRM
बार
University.
डू और डायरेक्ट 4 का घर। The house
The
of
touch will
4
try.
and 4 members are protecting their territory, and there's an outsider. Aparna A. Surinder has entered their house. Can he do any harm?
Well defense for Durasingam.
Not in my
Number
house,
8.
that's what they used to say.
Right
And
cover.
this time, initially, that tackle was Gopinath Durepandi. In fact, Gopinath had picked up 9
There
tackles,
are
which
SRM
extended that
coach
lead
of
when he was caught.
Muniappan.
And then there was a jerk. He tried to escape from that. He may have hyperextended it. Hopefully, it's not too bad, and he might be able to get back soon enough.
Durasingam number 88 on the mat. The fast rider number 88.
Martin और
2
क्या
point
सही समय पे
Durasingam
वो
Thoothukudi.
मध्य रेखा को क्रॉस किए और डिड द टाइम एक्सपायर।
Yes, it was a 2-point raid, Navneet, because as we can see here,
Fantastic
there was a
relief.
dash attempt made on him. And then there was another attempt that came. I think his toe also touched. Come back, but we'll take it on the third raid.
Again Durasingam rider number 88 fast
Again,
rider.
it's a very defensive-minded
On the
strategy
mat.
that they're going with.
Absolutely, when you have lost so many
Super raid,
matches, but
fantastic.
here he
All
has
out.
cleaned up. He has cleaned up.
Super tackle, 2 points SRM University.
Oh.
Oh, super tackle. 2 point. Rider safe 1 point.
I
But
thought
well
for a
try
moment,
for the
Aparna,
ride.
that he had
I
crossed the
thought he
line,
cleaned
but
up, right?
I suppose yes. Yeah, that is what I thought. But then he has gone out of the lobby.
Oh, yes. The body is out of the line.
Yes, it was a super tackle situation. SRM
Absolutely.
University seemed to be holding on barely over here, but the super tackle is on. Do you think they might be able to pick one more this time, Navneet?
I mean, this is an interesting one. Depends upon how Marimuthu Perumal sees it. If he's going to take chance, I think SRM will try absolutely to. Oh, that is not the way.
1 point, Durai
And
Singham.
that's the advanced
That's number
tackle.
2, out.
And hopefully SRM will be able to capitalize. If they do, then the scores can be level.
Eleven 9 सुपर टैकल ऑन है। मरिमुत्तु यहाँ पे फिर से एक बार और
Nice save. 2 plus to 4 points, Durai Singham. All out, SRM University.
And the cookie crumbled over there. This is what happened. In fact, Marimuthu Perumal could not be contained over there, and on his way out, he picks up the second point as well, cleaning up the mat and picking up the first all out for SRM. He says, go ahead and try everything. Play to your abilities and display all your skills on the mat, and he's given them the convenient go ahead right now.
जी अब
No
15 और
restrictions
9
whatsoever.
Ran out, 1 point, Durai Singham.
Sorry, Navneet. While we understood that
जी
there
हाँ,
were no
Aparna.
restrictions, It was Durai Singham that laid all the restrictions by way of that single ankle hold, and he has very strongly pulled back, almost a solo tackle. It is a solo tackle, barely any support. And this is a do or die raid, and coming in for Durai Singham is Saktivel, who started playing kabaddi at the age of 14 and supported by his cousin.
The well
And
defense
he's
are
been tackled
SRM
over
City
here.
Chennai.
A very, very nice, solid
The left
single
cover.
ankle hold over there coming from the
The coach of
left corner,
Muniappan.
Vanavan Palani.
Number 88 SRM
17 और
City.
10
Bonus will
ये
try.
सुरेंदर रेड लगाने के लिए आए हैं और मेरे विचार से शायद ये
Good
आखिरी
read.
रेड सिद्ध हो सकता
Well
है।
defense for Durai
पकड़े गए
Singham.
हैं पकड़े गए हैं दुरई सिंघम को एक और पॉइंट मिलेगा, लेकिन 7 सेकंड बचा है। इसका अर्थ ये है कि एक और रेड हमें देखने को मिल
Raider
सकता है।
safe. Bonus
नहीं,
plus 2.
इन्होंने यहाँ पर अपर्णा, इज इट अ वेलेमल सुपर 8?
Bonus
It
plus
looks
2
like it. That's
point.
what the referees are saying,
SRM
but they're going to
City
call
Chennai.
for a review. It looks like so. We have seen a Velamal Super Raid as per the referee's decision. Will it be reversed? We'll know in a bit. So you can see that ankle
The
hold.
review claimed
After
for the
that,
Durai
he's
Singham
struggling over there, and in the struggle, he
and review
manages to.
unsuccessful.
Oh yes, yes, crossed. Definitely.
यहाँ पे एम्प्टी रेड के साथ समाप्त होगा और 17 और 13 ये रहेगा। सीटी
Half
बजेगी,
time,
हाफ
side
टाइम हो
change.
गया है। चेंज द कोड, दैट इज व्हाट द रेफरी सेड, एंड द
The
स्कोर
point
लाइन विल
Durai
रीच
Singham 17
17
SRM City
पोजीशन
13.
एंड द स्कोर इज 7। सही समय पे अपने घर आ गए हैं।
Number
And Aparna, I
77
have a
for
question
SRM
that
City
just
right
like he
offense.
returned home at the right moment, कभी-कभी sometimes did it happen for you in your childhood that you returned
Fantastic
just
goal
on
touch.
time so that your father or parents might not be angry on you?
The clean hand touch for
Well, yes,
SRM
that
City
is
Chennai.
true to a certain level. But then when you're an athlete and they know you're on the ground, they
The Durai Singham coach for
That is very,
Karthik.
very interesting. Did you play the most
the
famous
number
sport in India?
77 on the mat.
Cricket?
Again, the fast rider,
That's
good
the one
jump,
thing that I didn't want to
super
play.
ride, 2 point.
But coming back
SRM
here,
City, the
SRM University
match
are
for
coming
moment.
back solidly. Very, very well done. He has picked up 2 points and level scores. This multi-point raid at this point in time was so needed,
They're very
and
tight
it
of
looks
the
like
match.
they are going to be wiping Durai Singham off the mats and picking up their first all-out points.
Absolutely. And
Durai Singham Raiders at the Vale.
good to know those little stories. The score reads 18-18, and that is what it was when the match
Number
started,
18.
0-0, and still there's nothing between these two sides. And you have to
The
praise
point are
how SRM
18-18.
University has played this game. They were struggling
Well
at one
depends for
moment,
SRM City for the left cover.
and is this the first time Aparna when they have gone into the lead?
Header out. 1 plus to 3 points. SRM University.
Very, very well done by SRM. They have inflicted an all.
Who are running away from the game?
Definitely, there's going to be a lot more adrenaline, a lot more josh in the team, and that will translate on either playing sensibly or taking a lot of risks. So we'll have to see which way the clock is going to tick, and rather how the pendulum is going to swing.
1 point. Durai Singham. Just number 16 out.
Aparna, these two teams, how they're shaped up in their standings. One team has won 4 matches and other team has just won 1. And Durai Singham is back into the game. 21-21 is the square.
Header out.
The score is again
1 point.
squared.
Durai Singham.
Yes, leveling up again. That is Sanjay Rajendran who's going out because Durai Singham have played with a lot of gumption, a lot of clarity over there, going for that beautiful ankle hold from that right corner. Stephen goes back empty-handed.
Everybody is an all-rounder when they are child, but I mean, if you needed to specialize in one field, well, there is possibility that there must be other players as well. So what you pick and yes, pick the middle line for sure.
Header safe. Hello. 3 points. Durai Singham. Just number.
Oh my, we saw another Super 8 coming. 3 points. Velamal super raid. One more coming for Durai Singham. You can see how he uses his hands to push the defenders away and escape. And in
The super tackle on for SRM
हाँ।
University. Durai Singham rider fast
ओपोनेंट के
rider
लिए मुश्किल बनाना
on
है,
the
यही
mat.
कबड्डी का खेल है। दो
The point
खिलाड़ी यहाँ
of
पे मौजूद है।
25-27.
बहुत जरूरी है
Last
कि
5 minutes
सुपर
of the
टैकल
game.
देखने को मिले हमें।
The critical
और-
movement. A clean hand touch. All out one.
यहाँ पे क्लीन
Supposed
अप हो
to 4
जाएंगे।
point for
All
Durai
out
Singham
Aparna.
Thoothukudi.
Durai Singham. All out.
Yes.
University.
very, very well done by Durai Singham. So they have really performed well and kept the accelerator down. Pedal to metal, that's what they've been doing, making sure that SRM are constantly kept
Super
at
ride
bay. Even though
for
there
a
were
moment of the
moments when
match,
they
this.
seemed like only 3.5
Durai
minutes,
Singham
approximately
rider
a
first
little
took
over the
well on the
3.5.
mat. Last 4 minutes.
Absolutely.
The game.
The three thrilling minutes of game is left, and content and intent absolutely essential. If you have
The
content
clean
and
hand
you
touch
don't
for
have
us.
intent,
The left
you
rider
cannot do much.
for the kick.
And if you have intent but you don't have the content or the skill
Where the
to
another-
match their
1 point.
match your
Durai
intent,
Singham. Jersey number 55.
then again it's not a solution.
Probably
Sarmast
was
coach
the most
for many
crucial
fun.
point because they managed to send
Last
their star raider out
fantastic
Saktivel,
defense for
and this
SRM
time
still
they're
cover.
executing a well-planned defensive maneuver over here
Red out.
and getting back-to-back points, one on offense and one on defense, dispatching both the most important raiders for Durai Singham to the bench. So this is very,
Fantastic
very
good
timely,
defense for
and
SRM
this
University
could be the turning
on the
point that
mat.
SRM is
The
looking
last
for.
2
That
minutes
change
of
in
playing.
momentum.
The point are
नहीं,
Durai
इसके
Singham
बाद एक
35,
और रेड
SRM University
आएगा
28.
और मुझे
Last
नहीं
minute.
लगता है कि क्या डू और डाई रेट
What
में
a super
पॉइंट
ride
लेके
for
जाएंगे
Durai
और
Singham.
7 पॉइंट से ज्यादा का डिफरेंस.
Jersey number 19. and
The
55.
difference has turned into 9 points upon 9. There is
2
every
points for
possibility
Durai
that
Singham
Durai
Thoothukudi.
Singham are going to
The
walk
last
away
minute
with
for the
all
game.
6 points in this match.
That's what it looks like unless SRM are able to pull a rabbit out of the hat over here. Very beautifully escaped them by coming in, and he tries to touch the corner
The
over
number
there.
70
But
is
do they have enough juice in them to make sure they stay within
fantastic
7?
defense
No
for
way.
SRM University
They
for
are
left
making
cover.
sure, Durai Singham is making sure that that's not going to happen. In fact, there's time for one more raid, and this will be in favor of Durai Singham.
Has already been done, and it's just the
1 plus 2,
Just
3
the time
point
we
for
need
Durai
to
Singham
spend and-
Thoothukudi.
Durai Singham. All out. SRM University.
suddenly how the game has changed, Aparna. The score
Definitely,
is
and-
42 and 28.
Yes, Saktivel went on that last trade and managed to finish
The
with
well
the
try
high,
for the match.
cleaning up the mat and picking
SRM
up that
University
all
Chennai,
out
the
on
game
the
is
final
over.
whistle.
Durai
Very,
Singham
very well done.
won
Durai
the
Singham
match.
have kept the pressure and done it well.
Exactly 41 and 28 is the full-time score in favor of Durai Singham. SRM University has lost another match, and